Hey everyone, today let's start with a powerful story. Picture a young boy growing up in South Africa. His parents divorce when he's just a boy and he moves around a lot, attending different schools. He's an introverted child and is often bullied. His confidence is low and he's riddled with limiting beliefs, constantly doubting his self-worth and abilities. But he had a curiosity and a passion for technology, reading 2 books a day in various disciplines, fueling his imaginative mind. The world around him told him he was just a dreamer and that he should come back down to reality. But he believed he could turn his dreams into reality. Do you know who I'm talking about? This is the story of Elon Musk, the visionary entrepreneur who has transformed several industries, from co-founding PayPal, which revolutionized the financial industry, to leading SpaceX and Tesla. Musk has repeatedly pushed the boundaries of what's considered possible, and now he's onto Twitter. But Musk didn't let his early life experiences or the limiting beliefs they induced define his future. He chose to believe in the power of his dreams, that he was capable of achieving what many thought impossible. And that's precisely what we're diving into today, identifying and challenging those pesky limiting beliefs that may be holding you back from your full potential. We'll also discuss how to replace them with empowering beliefs that will propel you towards success. So, what are limiting beliefs? They're the internal narratives and assumptions we hold about ourselves or the world that contains us in some way. We may have taken on these beliefs from our environment, perhaps from parents or teachers who didn't understand our potential, or from our childhood experiences, maybe a failure or a disappointment that left a lasting mark. Also from past experiences like a failed venture or a relationship gone wrong, and even societal expectations such as the belief that success means having a certain job, a certain amount of money, or a particular lifestyle. For example, for someone who grew up hearing the words, "You're thick, you're stupid, you can't do a simple thing, you can never finish anything," limiting beliefs may sound something like, "I can't start a business, I'm not smart enough," or "I'll never lose weight, I don't have the willpower." These beliefs are the barriers keeping us from achieving our goals and realizing our potential. Identifying these limiting beliefs can be challenging, as they're often deeply ingrained and operate on a subconscious level. The first step is introspection, something as a life coach I help my clients with. Listen to your self-talk. Are you constantly putting yourself down? Notice when you're making excuses or justifying not pursuing a goal. What's the belief behind that thought? Once you've identified those limiting beliefs, it's the time to challenge them. This is where the role of a life coach becomes invaluable. As a life coach, I help my clients in challenging these beliefs by asking themselves, is this belief based on fact, or is it an assumption I've made? What evidence do I have that this belief is true? And importantly, has this belief held true 100% of the time? Spoiler alert, most limiting beliefs can't stand up to this level of scrutiny. Another effective way to challenge these beliefs is by seeking counterexamples. Think of instances where the opposite of your limiting belief was true. Did you ever achieve something you initially thought you couldn't? These are evidence that your limiting belief is not an absolute truth. I was never good at sports as a kid and would shy away from doing any kind of running or physical activities. I grew up believing I could never run or be fit. Challenging myself and being around the right kind of sport, I was amazed and proud of myself to have completed 3 Tough Mudders runs a few years ago, and now with a half marathon to look forward to next year. Now that you've broken down your limiting beliefs, it's time to replace them with empowering ones. Start by stating the opposite of your limiting belief. If your belief was, "I can't start a business, I'm not smart enough," your new belief could be, "I have unique talents and insights that make me capable of starting a successful business." Make your new beliefs specific, positive, and stated in the present tense. To solidify these empowering beliefs, visualize them in action. Picture yourself achieving goals guided by your new belief. Create a vivid mental image. Feel the emotions, hear the sounds. This isn't just a daydreaming, it's a proven technique to help your subconscious adopt these new beliefs. For me, it was about seeing crossing that finish line every time I ran. Lastly, we need to reinforce these new beliefs. Repeating your empowering beliefs to yourself daily can help, especially if you say them with conviction. This is where affirmations come in. They can reprogram your mind to accept these new beliefs. But it's crucial to remember, reinforcing new beliefs is a process, not an event. It requires patience, persistence, and a lot of self-compassion. But rest assured, every step you take in this direction brings you closer to the person you aspire to be. To summarize, the journey to replacing limiting beliefs with empowering ones involves identifying these beliefs, challenging their validity, replacing them with empowering beliefs, and then consistently reinforcing these new beliefs. Here's a quick, actionable takeaway for you. Write down one limiting belief you identified today. Challenge it using the strategies we've discussed, and then replace it with an empowering belief. Keep this new belief somewhere you can see it daily. Sticky note on your mirror, a reminder on your phone. Repeat it to yourself and visualize it in action until until it becomes a part of you. Also, I'd love for you to share this new belief in the comments below. Maybe it will help another grow and conquer their limiting beliefs. And remember, every step you take towards banishing your limiting beliefs and embracing empowering ones is a step towards becoming the best version of yourself. So keep challenging, keep replacing, and keep believing. And as Napoleon Hill famously said, our only limitations are those we set up in our own minds. Thank you for joining me today. As always, if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with someone who might benefit from it, and subscribe to the channel for more empowering content. Together, let's rise above our limiting beliefs and soar to new heights of success. I'm Dr. Rakesh Rana, the Clear Coach.